Meaning of grand total.
Grand total.
Grand total.
Grand total.
Grand total. Grand total refers to the final sum or amount of a set of numbers, figures or values. It is the cumulative total obtained by adding up all the individual amounts in a given set. This term is most commonly used in accounting, finance, and sales reports. For example, in a company's financial statement, the grand total represents the total of all the revenues and expenses for a specified period. In short, the grand total is the ultimate figure that summarizes the whole set of data and provides a definitive conclusion.